everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your R36S device to Wi-Fi. Let's get started step by step. Step 1. Turn on the R36S, plug in the power and switch it on. Wait for the lights to stop blinking. Step 2. Connect to its default Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. You will see a network name like R36S. Connect to it. There may be no internet, but that's okay. Step 3. Open Setup page. Open a browser and type 192.168.2.1 in the address bar. This will open the R36S setup page. Step 4. Login. Username and password are usually both admin press login. Step 5. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Click on Repeater mode or Wi-Fi relay mode. Tap Scan to find nearby Wi-Fi networks. Step 6. Choose your Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi name from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password and click Apply or Connect. Wait a few seconds and your R36S should now be connected to Wi-Fi. You will now see a new network from your device. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.